A landscape is everything we can see in an area. There are many different landforms in a landscape. They can be high, low, big or small. All these different forms are called relief. A mountain landscape has mountains and valleys. A flat landscape has plains and plateaus. There are natural and man-made features in a landscape. Natural features have not been changed by people. Man-made features of a landscape are made by people. Fields, villages, roads and bridges are some man-made features. Are they natural or man-made features? A mountain landscape has mountains and valleys. A flat landscape has plains and plateaus. A coastal landscape has beaches and cliffs. A group of mountains is called a mountain range. Mountains are very high, but hills are lower. Valleys are the area of low land between mountains and hills. We can often find rivers flowing through valleys. The low near rivers in valleys is fertile, so plants grow well here. Roads in a mountain landscape are narrow and winding, so it's difficult to travel. There are only small towns and villages in the mountains. The top of a mountain is called the summit. Very few plants and animals can live at the summit. The sides of a mountain are called slopes. The bottom of a mountain is called the foot. There are no mountains or hills in a flat landscape, but we can see plains and plateaus. A plain is a large area of flat land. Plains are low. A plateau is a high plain with steep sides. The biggest plateau in Spain is La Meseta. A flat landscape is a good place for growing crops. Farmers grow crops on plains. Wheat and rice are two important crops in Spain. We use wheat to make bread. Many people live in a flat landscape. There are big towns and cities, and there are wide and straight roads. There are railways too. This is a relief map. It shows the landscape in different colours to represent different relief. The key tells us what each colour means. Rivers can be long or short, but they are all made up of three main parts: These parts are called the upper course, the middle course, and the lower course. Most rivers begin in hills or mountains. Most rivers begin in hills or mountains. The place where a river begins is called the source. When rivers leave its source, it becomes wider and forms bends called meanders. Small rivers that join the main river are called tributaries. Rivers are filled with fresh water and give life to the land. A river ends its journey at the mouth. The mouth is where a river meets the sea, ocean, or a lake. Rivers are narrow at the start near the source, and they are wide at the end near the mouth. The coastal landscape is by the sea. A beach is an area of low flat land next to the sea. Beaches have sand or rocks. A cliff is a high wall of rock next to the sea. A bay is where the area goes into the land. A cape is an area of land that goes into the sea. Most towns on the coast were originally small fishing villages. People were on holiday to this coast, and now many of these villages are very big. Today there are tourist resorts where there are new hotels, apartments, shops, restaurants. There are marinas full of boats. Many plants and animals live in the sea or on beaches and cliffs. We must respect them when we go to the coast. Don't pick up wild flowers. Don't climb the cliffs because you can fall or destroy the animals' homes. If you pick up an animal, always put it back in the same place. Be careful because some animals can hurt you. Never drop litter or leave bottles. They can hurt animals or people.